Gravity SMTP 1.1 has just been released, and it includes several highly requested features. Version 1.1 adds support for Google/Gmail as well as Microsoft 365/Outlook. Integrate your website with a Gmail or Google Workspace account to improve email deliverability, or connect to Microsoft's API to securely authenticate and send emails using Microsoft 365/Outlook. With this release, you'll also find a new PHP mail connector, which gives you the ability to use your server's default PHP mail functionality to send emails if required. Gravity SMTP 1.1 also gives you the ability to designate a primary and backup integration. For instance, I have Brevo set as my primary email sending service with Postmark as my backup. Whenever I send an email from my site, Gravity SMTP will attempt to send the email using Brevo. However, if any issues arise, Gravity SMTP will instead attempt to send the email using Postmark. Setting up a backup option helps to ensure email deliverability and gives you peace of mind that your emails will be sent, even if there's an issue with your primary email service. Gravity SMTP is currently free with a Gravity Forms Elite license. Get started today and see everything version 1.1 has to offer.